What you're looking at are dummy sections of the upper stage of the Orion 1X vehicle. You can tell, obviously, from the structure on our left here, you can see a launch escape tower, launch escape system, and then beneath that is the configuration of what would be the Orion capsule. All of these segments are steel-barreled segments that will be filled with ballast, but obviously, if we have a real Ares 1 rocket, the upper sections won't be ballasted steel barrels. They'll be an upper stage tank of liquid oxygen, liquid hydrogen. And on top of that would be an actual launch escape system with an Orion capsule. This is slated to fly around the fall time frame of this year. The schedule has been really loosey, but Ares 1X will fly 4 of a 5-segment solid rocket booster, and it's actually would have been shuttle hardware that was the 4 booster segment. 5th segment will be a dummy segment just to give the 1X the configuration of the Ares 1 rocket with the ballasted upper stage and Orion mock-up. And that's so that they can validate their models, their simulation models for loads, and validate the reaction control system to be able to keep this vehicle stable as it's going up. It's going to be, I believe it's as tall as the Saturn V rocket, and the Saturn V was like 345 feet. So it's a very large vehicle. So it'll be the first time since Apollo that we're going to open the doors all the way up in order to roll the vehicle out. So stacking operations for Ares 1X are going to occur directly on the other side of us, which will be High Bay 3, which will number 3 over there.
That launch, that experimental launch, will take place later this year.
That's right. I think
which pad?
Pad B, because they have the lightning towers really tall. They're like 600-foot towers, higher than what's at the normal pad, like at Pad A.